Welcome to The Cornerstone, the podcast that helps you build your business on a stronger foundation. Today, we're talking to every contractor who has ever lost sleep over a bid. The pressure is immense. You need to be fast to win the work, but you need to be accurate to actually profit from it. Your in-house estimators are overwhelmed, and a single missed detail in a quantity takeoff can wipe out your margin. But what if you could accelerate your bidding, improve your accuracy, and give your team back their nights and weekends? In this episode, we're breaking down how outsourcing quantity takeoffs is becoming the secret weapon for contractors who want to bid with confidence. Let's talk about the reality of bidding. When a new proposal lands on your desk, the clock starts ticking. Your team has to drop everything, dive into hundreds of drawings, and perform a meticulous, error-free count of every concrete yard, every stud, and every length of conduit. It's tedious, time-consuming, and the stakes couldn't be higher. One mid-sized GC we spoke with was consistently losing bids because their in-house team was too slow. By the time they finished their takeoff, the deadline had passed. They were accurate, but they weren't even in the game. The cost of being slow is just as real as the cost of being wrong. This is where a dedicated offshore estimating team provides a game-changing advantage. Imagine having a team that can start on a new set of drawings the moment you get them, working in your time zone to deliver a completed takeoff, in a fraction of the usual time. For a civil contractor bidding on a large site work project, this was the difference between winning and losing. They sent us the plans, and our team delivered a comprehensive earthwork and utility takeoff in 48 hours. This speed allowed their senior estimator to focus on pricing, strategy, and submitting a razor-sharp bid that they won, and one they knew would be profitable. Maximize your project's potential. Opt for outsourcing professional technical services you require, and stay ahead of the competition. For more information, just email us at outsource@admoreservices.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. But speed means nothing without accuracy. A dedicated team specializes in this one thing: extracting precise quantities from 2D plans and 3D models. They use the latest software and follow a rigorous quality control process, with multiple layers of checks. A dimensional stone subcontractor learned this the hard way, after an in-house error in calculating the total square footage, and complex cladding patterns for a high-rise facade, led to a massive material shortfall, and a six-figure loss. Now, they use our team as a crucial second set of eyes. We provide the precise panel counts, square footage, and linear footage for complex detailing, and their expert does the pricing. This partnership has virtually eliminated costly takeoff errors, and given them the confidence to stand by their numbers. So, what's the bottom line? You don't have to choose between bidding fast and bidding right. A dedicated offshore team gives you both, transforming your estimating department from a bottleneck into a competitive advantage. Remember, slow bidding costs you opportunities, just as surely as inaccurate bidding costs you money. Outsourcing takeoffs accelerates your entire bidding process. And a specialized team provides the accuracy you need to protect your hard-earned profit margins. Ready to bid faster and more accurately? Visit admoreservices.com to see how our dedicated quantity takeoff teams can be tailored to support your business. And stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for listening to The Cornerstone. Build with confidence.